We're only as good as our choices. Only as good as what we choose to serve and who we choose to partner with. That's why Red Lobster is choosing to join forces with the Monterey Bay Aquarium Seafood Watch program. Their conservation efforts and scientific research strengthen our commitment to sourcing traceable, sustainable, and responsible seafood. Because we're only as good as our choices. And together, we're choosing to help protect ocean life, now and for generations to come.